Distinguished members of the press, esteemed partners, traditional leaders, community stakeholders, and citizens of Katsina State. It is my honor and privilege to address you today as we launch an important health initiative that will have a lasting impact on the well-being of mothers and children across our dear state and the entire nation. We are here to introduce the 2024 Nigeria Behavioral and Social Autopsy Study, VASA, a crucial study designed to provide insights into the causes of under 5 and maternal death in our communities. So the study is directed at our children under 5 years old and their mothers, that means all women in the reproductive age. The National Population Commission, in collaboration with the Federal Ministry of Health, is implementing this nationwide study. The round of VASA study builds on previous efforts from 2014 and 2019, which provided valuable information that helped shape health policies and interventions aimed at reducing preventable deaths. The study is a follow-up to the 2023-2024 Nigeria Demographic and Health Survey that was conducted in May this year. We'll be going back to the NDHS households to ask for information that will help the government understand and plan to address the biomedical and social causes of death of children under 5 years and for women of reproductive age. In Katsina State, we have benefited from the strong collaboration between the National Population Commission, the Federal Ministry of Health, and our valued state partners to successfully implement health-related projects in the past. And we are confident that this collaboration will once again ensure success for the VASA study. This study will collect essential data on both maternal and child mortality, focusing on the social and health-related factors that contribute to these tragic losses. This information will empower decision makers to address the underlying issues that lead to these deaths and will ultimately inform policies aimed at improving maternal and child health in the state and beyond. Fieldwork for this study commenced in 29 communities in 23 local government areas. A list is attached for checking throughout the state between the 4th of November to the 15th of December 2024. Our trained data collectors will visit households, conduct interviews with family members, gathering information that will help us understand the circumstances surrounding maternal and child deaths. This sensitive but essential process requires the cooperation and support of every individual and the community. We recognize the vital role that traditional and community leaders play in mobilizing community support and facilitating the smooth conduct of activities like the VASA study. We call on our revered leaders to lend their voices in support of this study, encouraging their communities to welcome the interviewers and participate fully in the process. Your leadership is invaluable in ensuring that this study is well received and that the information gathered reflects the experiences and challenges within our communities. Additionally, we urge the public to cooperate with our interviewers. They are here to listen, gather, and document your experiences with the utmost respect and confidentiality. In sharing your experiences and welcoming our data collection teams, you are contributing directly to a project aimed at preventing unnecessary losses in our communities and securing a healthier future for our families. The collaboration and support of every resident of our dear state is crucial for the VASA study. We ask that you receive our data collectors with understanding and kindness, and that you actively participate in sharing the important details that will help us address the issues of maternal and child health. In conclusion, I would like to thank all our partners, including the state government and state ministries and the local governments, for their unwavering support and commitment to the success of this study. Let me specifically thank His Excellency the Governor of Katsina State, Malam Dikko Umar Radda, PhD, for his prompt attention and cooperation given to us at all times. We have always received understanding, we have always received encouragement, we have always received assistances and all that is needed from the government of Katsina State. We sincerely appreciate His Excellency.